Hey guys, you're welcome back again in today's video. My name is Juliet Goswin. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys 100% active remedy that when you apply it on your under eyes wrinkles, it will disappear. This recipe does not have any side effect. It's 100% natural. So to prepare this recipe, we need cucumber. Cucumber has a cooling effect on the skin. Cucumber reduces wrinkles under the eyes due to the high level of vitamin K. Cucumber is also rich in vitamin C and folic acid source. The vitamin C in the cucumber can wake skin up and stimulate new cells growth. There are other benefits of using cucumber to treat under eyes wrinkles. So guys, the next thing we do is we sieve out the cucumber juice. The next thing we need is powdered milk. Take 1.5 tablespoon of powdered milk and add 2 teaspoons of cucumber juice. Then you mix it very well. Powdered milk is one of the best home remedies for under eyes wrinkles. Powdered milk tightens and firms the skin. Powdered milk also contains anti-aging properties. It also helps boost collagen production, thereby delaying the signs of aging. So the next thing we need is olive oil. Olive oil is one of the best oil that protects the skin from developing more wrinkles. Olive oil has antioxidant properties that fight wrinkles. Olive oil nourishes the tender skin around your eyes and soften fine lines. Add a teaspoon of olive oil and mix it very well. So the next thing we need is honey. Add a teaspoon of honey and mix very well. Honey is a great natural remedy for under eyes wrinkles and aging skin. Honey contains vitamins and minerals. Honey helps in reducing the signs of aging. Just mix it very well to get a paste. This mixture will tighten your skin and remove fine lines and wrinkles under your eyes. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how to apply this mixture. So guys, this is how to apply this mixture on your under eyes. Just you take it like this, apply it on your under eye wrinkles and fine lines. It will disappear. Just apply it like this, then you leave it for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you have to wash it off. Repeat this recipe 3 times in a week for a better result. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing. See you guys in my next video. Bye.